Good evening, everyone. This is my report for tonight. Our objectives first is to identifying ways on how administer and organize with technology, and second, assessing the different ways of utilizing technology on organizing and administering files. First, what is file management and why is it important? File management refers to the process of organizing, storing, and manipulating files on computer system. This can include organizing stored files into folders, backing up files, and compressing files to save space. It can be done manually or with a software program. There are many files management systems that are available, but they all have the same basic function. First, organizing, putting files into folders, storing, keeping your files saved on your computers, naming, giving your files an appropriate name to easy identification. Next, deleting on old or unnecessary files to free up space on your hard devices. Okay, these four file management are very important in using computer and to save a different kind of documents in your technology or in your devices, so that you can use the devices into good ways of management system. But they have also the basic function. The first is the as I have mentioned, the organizing, storing, naming, and deleting. Those are the things that we need in putting our files in our documents. Next, what are the main components of file management? Storage, organization, protection. These are the main components of managing your computers or your files inside your device, so that your files cannot be how do you, what do you call that one, that cannot be erased or cannot be uh, that the files is instilled in your computers. That's the component of this file management. This management component, or the main component of file management, network electronic file management. The new work method of organizing files that organize files based on their location on computers are divided or storage media. This type's file to organize is not popular because it can be difficult to find certain files without using source agent strong knowledge of computer science. Relational electronic file management is a newer method of organizing data that organize files based on the relationship between data stored in its file. This growing in popularity because it provides an easier way to find and manage the additional information stored on a particular computer. The what that that is the another main component of file management, to network electronic file management and the relational electronic file management. Next is file management technique. These are the techniques. Set up the main folder for documents. Second, create folders, subfolders in logical hierarchy. Follow consistent naming convention. Organize your files as you go. Do periodic checks. Back up your files regularly. Those are the techniques for your documents inside your devices, so that your documents cannot be erased, or you have your backup while you are searching it. Next, why is file management important? It first increase productivity, improve organization, reduce cost, enhance security, improve collaboration, reduce risk of losing important files, maintain documents. Very important of file management because it can help your important document into safe inside your folders. What is the purpose of file management system? The purpose is to file management system organize your store files and to be information that can you use through the files. These are the ways. Know that it refers to the type of computer data including the audio, video, graphics. Purpose of file management system is to provide structure for the storage or data. Computer can be located and retrieved to ease. That's why the file management is very important for us to make our files into secure. These are the best strategies for file management. With an organized system, ensure consistency, naming folder, combine random letters and numbers while make file sources unnecessary hassles to method. So you have your consistency. The naming is very important so that you can easily find your folders inside your computer. You cannot be difficult to find it because you already have your naming files inside your computer. Follow hierarchy keeps the document data and a single project under the same folder. For the backing, you have your backup. You need to make the backup of files so that the first file, if the it is erased, you have your backup. How ideas, how organized the data pages are the ideas. It goes to organization, prepare and get input, delete archive first, organize digital files by name, date, project. Example of this in your Microsoft Words. Diba? You can erase the documents and use your names, or you have your own naming on it.